Wonderful day everyone. Again, this is Bel Francisco at your service and pakikita ko lang po sa inyo ang mga available unit for test drive dito po sa ating dealer located at Jose Abad Santos, Manila. So guys, meron po tayo ditong Destinator. Ayan po, for test drive po yan. And then, ang ating pong Mirage G4. Next is ang atin naman pong Expander Cross. And lastly, ang ating X-Force. Yan po ang mga available unit for test drive. So guys, kung naghahanap ka ng sasakyan, especially yung mga first-time buyer, much better na mag-test drive at mag-unit viewing ka para mas makita mo up close at ma-experience mo ang performance na unit na prefer mo. At the same time, mas ma-explain sa'yo ang mga specs, features, and promo nito. By the way, open kami from 8:30 to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday for test drive and unit viewing, and Saturday and Sunday naman for unit viewing only. So guys, kung interesado ka at may time ka mag-visit, message mo lang ako or tawagan sa akin number para mas-schedule natin ang ating meet-up. Ciao!